Madurai Meenakshi Temple and the stories connected with the temple and some leelas which happened. That is the scope of this recording. And as per my all earlier recordings, I introduce one Tamil text for my listeners. And in this recording, I am talking the name of one text by Kumara Guruparar. He has written Meenakshi Pillai Tamil. That's a very famous text about this temple. Coming to the stories, all these stories are very, very interesting. One is beating the other. Once, one king was coming to Madurai and he had severe stomachache. He prayed to Goddess Meenakshi. He said he will build a pond if his stomachache is removed. So in the process of making a pond, he got a Ganesha idol, and this idol is named as Mukkuruni Vinayagar. Vinayagar is nothing but Ganesha in English or Sanskrit or Tamil. There are so many names for Lord Ganesha. I am using Vinayagar, Mukkuruni Vinayagar here for the purpose of identification when you go to the temple. And on the day of Vinayaka Chaturthi, they make huge quantity of Kodakattai or Modak. Modak is a name for you people to understand. Kodakattai is a Tamil word. Kuruni is one measurement. So they make 3 kurunis of this Kodakattai and they make an offering. Next Vinayagar statue is called Vibhuti Vinayagar, where we can take Vibhuti by ourselves and we can do Abhishekam. Coming to the next episode, there was one devotee by name Manika Vachakar and he was working for a king. The king had instructed him to buy horses. As you are all aware that in those days the kingdom had varieties of animals like horses, elephants and all that. But some very interesting incidents have happened. Many of the devotees of Lord, they have misused that money, misused in the sense for what purpose the money was given, they will use it for temple renovation. In fact, Bhadrachalam Ramadas story also, some such thing had happened. I will talk about it when I talk about Bhadrachalam Ramadas. Here also, Manika Vachakar will misuse that amount. He will spend it on some temple renovation. The king comes to know, he asked for the horses, they were not available. So as per the law and the rule, he was about to go to jail. Some instruction, somewhere it is said that he was already put in the jail. There is some confusion here. Some say he was about to go to jail. Then Manika Vachakar prayed to God. Then Lord came to his rescue. He converted jackals to horses. And the horses were all available for the king. This was a leela done by Lord Shiva. Then one Mahan by name Tediyur Subramanya Sastri. He had no eyesight. He sang in praise of Meenakshi and he got his eyesight back. This is another story related to Madurai temple. Then when we hear this particular story, one will wonder how these devotees could do such a thing. One devotee used his hand to make a paste of chandan. Instead of that, when we go to temples, we will see 2 pieces for making chandan. One will be like a plate, another will be like a small piece which they will roll. Here, he uses his hand to make chandan. And even today, one can see this particular incident in his memory. That is a very interesting episode where devotees' love is expressed towards the gods. And it is told that in the kitchen of Madurai temple, for the sake of Meenakshi's Lord Meenakshi, I am using Goddess Meenakshi, Lordess Meenakshi, for her devotee, she even cooked, it seems, using her nose ring for the purpose of light. Then this particular story of one person who ruled, who came from some other country, his name was Peter. Actually, he has no idea about some of our culture or tradition or how to do, what to do like that. But even to him, Meenakshi has helped. One day, a small girl came and asked Peter to come out of the bungalow in which he was staying. The moment he came out, because of lightning and thunder, the bungalow got burnt. He realized that it was none other than Goddess Meenakshi, and he offered lots of jewelry to this temple. And he was also instructing his people to dig his samadhi only facing the Meenakshi temple. There was one more very interesting episode where Lord Shiva came to help one old lady and he was beaten up. He went to help a old lady and nobody knew that it was Lord Shiva. As usual, the king's men were beating many people and they were beating Lord Shiva also. Lord Shiva had come in the form of a worker. So many leelas have happened here, and one will turn really, I should say, one will be very much surprised how so many leelas had happened here, and one will be definitely encouraged to visit this temple to enjoy some of the visuals, and through some of the books they can get to know more leelas of Lord Shiva. And with this I am ending. I can put many leelas of Lord Shiva also, but due to time constraint I am ending here. Once again, thanks for your